Am I really? What are you doing? What are you doing? No. No.
No.
Do it again.
Shut up. I worked hard getting up here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you? She worked hard getting up there, everybody. This is... Oh, is it recording? No, I'm just joking. Hello, everybody. My name is William Dragonbear, and this is Atmo. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. That's the entire video. No, I'm just joking. But, anyways, we have no clue what we're going to do today. Like, I went and got her. No clue what we're going to do today. Babe, I'm bored.
In the name of Jesus. I bless you, child.
Thanks. Basically a nature walk, and that's all. Gonna enjoy the view, take a few pictures, you know.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you? Just do you.
She doesn't like nature.
I do too.
Then why don't she like nature walks?
Because we don't have a destination. We always gotta have a destination.
You wanna know the destination?
Or
Hell, we're here. No, destination is the creek, basically.
well,
Sure.
usually when I hit you, I always end up hurting myself.
I love it outside. Don't you?
Says the one that barely comes outside.
I go outside all the time. Where do you think I go when I leave my room?
When you leave your room.
All the time. I leave my room all the time.
Really? How come?
Well, when we're on video chat, how many times do I leave my room, and how often do you see me in my room?
You really want to go there?
You coming?
Come on, Slowpoke.
Took you long enough.
I don't know where we're going.
We're going right over here. Bruh.
I just don't want to be injured. Unlike you, you can handle being injured.
Yeah. I love nature.
Probably because you're a guy and you can pee and go shirtless.
Well,
and you
what?
have all these rights
Didn't
that
you,
females don't have.
do you gotta go pee? There's like bushes. We're out in the country.
I was just messing with you. I can't go shirtless though. Somebody might get offended. They're gonna get offended when they see guys shirtless.
What? A deer's gonna get offended?
I don't know. It might.
What's it gonna go to? The media?
They'll be like, you naked human. I'm gonna dread this on the way back.
Oh, are you?
Oh God, I'm getting cold.
Yes, you are. Do you hear that though?
I see a spider.
I hear nature. Slicked
I'm
her
playing
head.
with this, the corpse of a spider.
Darn.
Because it wasn't with this rock over there, then I moved it over here. Then I moved it up this way, and then I moved it right there.
You let me?
Not that cool. Go
Alright.
fetch, babe.
You ready to keep going?
Oh, good lord, yeah.
I'm just joking.
Oh, okay. I'll stay. Unless I have to move.
No, this is as far as we're going today. At least till the Greek gets more water.
Greek.
Greek? I like Greek. You like Greek? Ah.
It's my relaxed clothes. Plus, the only clothes I own at this moment. And I would rather look nicer than taking pictures, so that if somebody sees the picture, they're like, damn!
Okay, so now we are heading back. Took some beloved photos, which we're probably going to take more on the way. Oh yeah.
There's
Yeah.
a spider on me. Get the spider off. On my leg. Right there. Babe.
It's still on you. Did it bite you?
No, I don't like this. I don't like this. Get me out of this place. I don't like this. I don't like nature. Screw nature.
I love nature.
Alright.
You coming?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Can spider get you?
Yeah.
Don't like spider.
You want to go back to your room.
Okay.
I'm safe in your room. Safe from wild things. Like certain spiders that I don't know the species of.
Like that colorful one?
Who knows? It might bit me. And it might bring me Spider-Man.
You mean
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what